Focus. Focus. Oh, shit.
Alright, what are we doing?
I don't know, I'm Tyra, dude. I stayed up way too late last night freaking on some teeny bopper. Look at there's even proof of it. I fucked her on the back of my car. Which probably wasn't a great idea, but I was drunk. And now I have all these fucking handprints and booty marks and shit. You gotta actually work. I'm just gonna vlog.
Why am I always the one working? I'm always doing stuff.
So Josh has us freaking vlogging on a Wednesday.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Because he has to go do some not important shit this weekend, so we can't vlog on our regular day.
Dude, it's my mom's birthday.
Josh, it's my cat's birthday.
When?
You don't see me going anywhere, do you?
Called support, Josh.
Is it?
Yeah, zoom in on this. This is how you get. This is how you give support.
Look, he's helping you.
This is how you give support to your bros.
Jesus, Wes is doing all the work.
Yep.
He's
the only
helping
reason he's getting anything done is because of the emotional support I'm putting off from touching his foot with my foot. Josh, you know same-sex marriage is legal now. Do you want to move in? We should have an insurance plan together. Is it supposed to slide in and hook?
Yeah.
I don't really think it's gonna go that far. Does it go that far back?
It's possible.
Josh, this is mission impossible.
I'm wondering if maybe it's on backwards. And not the fucking bumper. That plastic piece that I just put on that it slides into.
You mean like flip flop? This goes on that side?
The bracket. The
Yeah,
bracket that
goes on
slides
that
in.
Yeah, something's not right. So,
God damn it, Joshery.
This had to go further this way.
No, that's how it goes, right?
Right.
Is this how you have it mounted?
Yes.
You sure they don't go like that? Yeah, that's the way it goes. You gotta mount it like that.
But the
Right.
But the problem is...
No. Not good. Boom. Get it?
This goes on this side. That's what I was trying to say.
Right.
Yeah. This goes on this side.
Right,
and
but
this
don't, not like this. Like you were doing it.
The other way.
one. Yeah, like that.
Can you
Yeah.
do me a favor, Wes?
But this goes on this side.
Right.
That's exactly what it was.
Can you...
Frick, yo, this ain't freaking rocket science. But then,
Can you turn the steering wheel for me? Yeah.
no.
Yeah, right. No, I'm here now. I don't need you to do anything.
You just asked me to do
yes,
it.
but you... Alright, pick it up. You just step on my...
Sorry. Yeah, I did. That was ridiculous. Luckily, I have Panama Jack shoes on. They're really comfortable. But you wait. Next time we go to Ruby Tuesdays,
I get so many emails.
All right, well, that's round 2. Let's do it.
Am I bending over or are you?
Damn, who taught you how to bang like that? So that's how Josh has sex. The lady pulls her vagina out and he just goes up and goes. He just gets butt naked.
The following Thursday.
You got it, Max?
I guess I might as well try and fix that hood gap.
Alright, we'll come let you in. Wes is here. Go let him in.
Oh my god. God damn it.
What's up, dude? You like my vagina?
God damn it.
I brought you a present.
Ciroc? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I've been trying to figure this out all fucking day. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Smell this. What's that smell like to you?
Like a nectarine?
No. No.
It smells like one of those plants.
Like cum trees? Wait, let me smell it again. Like feet.
Smells like fucking cat piss.
Oh, it does definitely smell like cat piss.
I
Uh-huh.
think a fucking cat peed on it.
Yeah, it smells like cat
Fucking
pee.
Cat pissed on that.
It smells like cat pee.
A cat must have had it out for me. He came and pissed on my fucking sanding bar.
I know, it's
What
fucked
a
up.
dick. Holy shit.
How are we looking?
No, wait, move to the side, Josh. I don't know, it looks like shit. Did yours the second or? Yeah, yours the second.
No, fuck you.
Oh. Joshua is going to be feeling very good tonight. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is there enough for me? Yeah, that's enough for me. I feel pretty good already. Jesus. Wait, Josh, stop.
You still have some left?
We're celebrating Wes retired again. I'm retired, and now I live in a 1991 Tioga RV, which RVs are awesome. Guess what? I got heat. I got a refrigerator. I got a toilet.
You got a dead mouse?
I got a pet mouse. Jeffrey is my pet mouse who got in my fucking house, which is an RV. And I've been trying to catch this motherfucker for 7 days. And I finally caught him this morning. It was fantastic.
Did you let him go?
No, I killed him with a fucking giant hammer and a square. It was really fucked up. I would have let him go, but he was half dead already, so I had to kill him. Rest in peace. He got in my bus. I set up traps, and Jeffrey would come up. He would eat the peanut butter off the traps all day. And then, on the 7th day, D-Day, Hiroshima, I bombed his ass. He was still a quarter alive. Josh.
I heard my hands on my keys.
Show him that backpack again.
Do you mind just? Yeah, dude.
No, a little further, a little further, a little further.